Hi there. Today I'm sharing these two breakfast ideas that will save you time in the morning while being healthy. They are brilliant for food prep and very easy to make. So let's start. For the seeds and oats breakfast, I first take the stones out of the dates. I then cover them in boiling water and take them to the microwave for about 2 minutes. This will help the dates to soften so you don't end with bits in the mix. I then blend them with 3 cups of almond milk. I use no sugar almond milk, but you can use your preferred milk alternative. I get a shot of coffee for one of the containers to change the flavor. You can also use instant coffee with boiling water. To each container, I add about half a cup of oats. This is about 40 to 50 grams. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And half a teaspoon of ground flax seeds. To that mixture, I will add 1 cup of the mixture of the milk and the dates mix per container, and then we will stir thoroughly. For the coffee one, I will add the shot of coffee and stir in the same way. With this recipe, you get 3 breakfasts. I only show 2 in the video, but you will have enough to make 3. I refrigerate overnight and I serve next day with frozen blueberries and my favorite dry nuts and seeds. This is very creamy and delicious but healthy. I hope you enjoy it too. For second breakfast, we have a delicious yogurt and cherries overnight breakfast. This is ideal for food prep and saves time in the morning. In a glass container, I add around 80 grams of zero-fat Greek yogurt and make sure I spread the yogurt all around the container. To that, I add 40 grams of oats, I then cover with 120 grams of Greek yogurt again. On top, I add 100 grams of frozen cherries, and finally I drizzle with around 10 to 15 grams of good quality honey. I then refrigerate until next day. This is a delicious and healthy breakfast that will be waiting for you in the morning. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.